rejuvenating yourself at the soul level.
Yeah.
So you'll go through all that. When you go through all that, you also will probably feel very intimidated in some realms and situations, right? Because you might experience other souls around you not very have not had a very pleasant experience, right, in their past lives. So they are also allowed to move around and hang around, correct, kind of thing. So they might want to engage with you, right? If you're given the permission to engage, you will. If you're not, then you will not engage.
And who gives the permission?
You have your angels, you've got your
Oh, okay.
guiding angels, you've got your ancestors that you can relate to, right? Now when all this has happened, then you've experienced what that state is all about, what those realms are all about, right? So you are allowed to move around freely, interact, understand everything. And that might take a very long time. So maybe you don't want to right away have rebirth, right? Or you want to continue and you want to do some kind of universal work from one of those realms. So again, then you come to a stage where you are now at comfort. You're easy. You're like, okay, this is it. You accept the fact. The soul accepts the fact. Now this is where I'm going to exist for some time, right? And when all that balming is done, when the soul is calmed, it's healed, right? Sits with that bag with its Lord and Master, and then there is a one-on-one catch-up.
You sit with, we sit with you, or a master, or some
Yeah,
other
your
master.
master, your Lord and Master, correct? And then you have a final catch-up, right? Are you ready for the catch-up? You sit and you open up your Pandora box. Correct? This is what I did. This I should not have done. The soul's experiences. It's all about the soul's experience, right? The baggage that you carry. When the soul is actually unburdening all that baggage, right?
By sharing with the
By
master.
sharing and wants to feel completely free and light. Says this
It's
is
like a confession that.
correct. Now this is what I have. This is what I am handing it over to you. Whatever life I lived, or I was supposed to live, or I digressed from what I was supposed to do because my memory was wiped off, right? I did consciously or unconsciously what best suited me. Now, that different souls come with different karmic cycles, correct? Souls could be having a very traumatic life at a mental level. They must have indulged in crime, they must have indulged in being
Cheating and.
cheating, or may have been exploited. You see, so that's the baggage that you come with, right? But then when you're calmed, you're peaceful, then what do? You just want to, when you exhaust all that energy, you just hand over, right?
So you share and try to be light.
Correct. And then you say, now, this is it. Now you take over, my Lord and Master.
I confess to you
That's right. I
that I
did.
led a good life, or I led a traumatic life, or I did something
Correct.
wrong, but I am in
I'm
a.
here. Now I'm
Yeah.
here. Now I'm here with this baggage. Right. It's like judgment time. You're with the jury there in front of you. Right. You ask for pardon. You say, yeah, it shouldn't have been this way, or it should have been the other way. Yeah, I completely forgot the purpose for which I went. Right. I was so involved with illusion and all the
Attractions and
attractions at
temptations.
the planet Earth level that I completely forgot the mission for which I had gone. Right. But I'm here now. It's like saying, what more can I say? But I'm here with my baggage. Now you see what I have. You pass the judgment on me. Right. So while the judgment is being passed, your Lord and Master is never there to reprimand or be harsh with you. Correct? Your Lord and Master or your God or the energy that you believe in is an eternal parent energy, correct? As a parent can never punish their child. There is no concept of punishment. There's nothing like hell. All these things that we hear that you burn in hell. There's nothing burning in hell, but it's a moment of remorse. You feel very remorseful.
Correct.
So that's what it is. There's nothing like you're burning in hell or you're all that is a myth. There's no such concept of putting you through any harsh treatment or putting you in a harsh environment.
It's like self-realization and therefore the
Correct.
pain,
Correct. So
pain
you
of
bring
what.
all that out. You feel sorry, you feel sad, you feel very remorseful, you feel, oh my God,
Why did I do it?
why, for what did I go, what did I achieve?
Hmm.
Oh my God, one more life on birth I probably wasted.
Hmm.
All that feelings, they all come out.
Hmm.
But there's no judgment to punish. The judgment that comes is that your Lord and with your Lord and Master, you say, okay, that's fine. That happened, correct?
Hmm.
What next from here?
Hmm.
You've got your learnings, you've understood for what you went.
Hmm.
But of course, I also worked with you what we negotiated, correct?
Hmm.
By and large, it remains the way you negotiate and you take a birth.
Hmm.
There is a bit of digression here and there,
Hmm.
but most of the time it works out the way you have signed on the dotted line.
Hmm.
Okay, this is how it's going to pan out, right?
Correct.
We forget why this with me, why this happened, you know,
Hmm.
and that's when you're consciously in human body,
Hmm.
when you are consciously not snapped that connect with your soul,
Hmm. Hmm.
you keep going back, reconnecting at that soul level.
Hmm.
Why am I here? What am I doing? What is the reason of my existence? Right?
Introspection.
Self introspection. You're not getting carried away by everything that is around you.
Hmm.
Right? The purpose is, yeah, to put you in a situation where you have no memory.
Hmm.
Right? But it is for you to not snap that cord. It's very important. But if you have snapped that cord and you've come back where you don't remember, just been in an indulgence, right? Then all that is in front of you at the soul level. And then you're like, with everything that you've done, you feel helpless or hopeless, right?
Hmm.
Or you feel that, okay, this is what I did, I could have done better. The jury, your judge, sits with you and says, that's fine, doesn't matter. That's the soul want to do next from here.
Hmm.
Do you want to continue being here and learn more, right?
Hmm.
Move from different realms or different planets, right? And take some time.
Hmm.
You're given that time. Some souls are very ready to just come back. Now, that could be because the impressions on the soul are so strong,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? There's a great hankering to be back again to finish that off. That's where you hear of child prodigies, right?
Hmm.
They remember a lot from their past,
Hmm.
or they come back as great dancers and singers and musicians and technology and whatever.
Hmm.
They have a great baggage to download,
Hmm. Hmm.
right? They quickly come to download that baggage. Yeah, that baggage could be for the next 100 years in human life, right?
Hmm.
But they are ready. They just want, they are exploding. They are exploding to come back. And then they come back.
So basically, they might be feeling that I haven't got enough opportunity in the last birth to express
Correct.
my entire talent.
Correct.
So now I want to quickly go back and express the unfinished. Okay, so they will come back immediately. So
Yeah,
the
they could
jury or the judge,
will say, okay, yeah, all right.
they will say, okay, so
Yes.
whatever the soul wants, the jury says, okay.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Because understand, you have to also build that you have to have a spiritual infusion, right? You've got to infuse your life
Hmm.
with your spiritual understanding,
Hmm.
right? So that is always there with you. But are you connecting to that, to that, to that fragrance, that aromatherapy, spiritual aromatherapy that is with you?
Hmm.
Are you absorbing it, right?
Hmm.
Are you feeling that? Are you relating to it? It's up to you at the soul level
Hmm.
to connect to that.
Hmm.
So one, there could be immediate
But.
life cycle birth again.
Hmm.
One, you stay in quarantine,
Hmm.
right? And you get cleansed up,
Hmm.
right? It's put back in place.
Hmm.
The other thing is that you say, no, I'm going to continue here. It's going to be harsh being in physical body, but I'll continue being in one of the astral worlds, interact with a lot of souls there,
Hmm.
or do a lot of healing and healing and calming and balming from the astral world to the other planets on the Earth, planet Earth, wherever there is trauma, you will relate that energy that you want to display, and you will work with energy workers, will work with souls who are existing,
Hmm.
and through them, universal work.
the souls who are existing in earth or in
Yes, in earth,
earth. So
on
you
earth,
will
yeah.
work through those